Hello everybody, this is a short introduction to LaTeX. LaTeX you will be using it for writing thesis report or non-technical project report or PowerPoint presentation. Of course, you can use Word, Microsoft Word. So LaTeX is more professional and it's also used for writing some scientific papers and stuff. So to get started, you have to download and install both this MyTeX as well as TextMaker. Download and install both. MyTeX is called a LaTeX distribution. The purpose of this is similar to a compiler. So whatever commands you are typing in LaTeX, in order to convert that to a readable PDF document, this MyTeX is used. And then this TextMaker is a place where you will be actually typing in the commands, something similar to a notepad. Okay. So download both, install both, and then open TextMaker. So this is TextMaker. It's like normal other programs. Create a new file, save as. Here for example I save it with the name demo1. Okay, so here you can see it's like the name is demo1.tex. it's a LaTeX file. So compared to C program, just for understanding I'm telling, so compared to C program where each and every program always all the program has this hash include stdio.h as a header file, similar to that, all the LaTeX program should start with \document class, and the square bracket should be giving the font size of the fonts in your document, and then the next bracket is the type of the document. For example, article, journal, books, and something similar to that. Article is most commonly used for your theses and other project reports. You can use this type of document called article. Then comes this begin. As you can see, just once you start typing, it just suggests the entire list of commands starting with this keyword. So it means that you need not remember exactly the syntax or the name of each and every keyword. So just begin document. So end document automatically comes. So whatever you type in between this begin and end document is what is going to get printed in the PDF file. For example, this is my first demo. Okay, now this right hand side pan is the area where you can preview your document, something similar to print preview. You can see your documents, how the output will be. So for doing that, you have to first run it. Run. Here we go. We see here that this is what is the output which you will be seeing it in your PDF document. You have to make sure that under options, configure text maker, under this command, make sure that it is this embed is selected so that this PDF viewer, it means that in the PDF viewer you are able to see this in the preview window. And this quick build, under this quick build, make sure that this PDF LaTeX plus view PDF is selected. These are selected by default, but just make sure that they are selected just for cross checking it. Once they are selected, then you can get the output. You can see the preview like this. Now if we go back to the folder where we have created, this is a folder where I have created this demo1. You can see this demo1 PDF is automatically created once I run the program. So here is what I have typed. This is my first demo. This is what I have seen in the preview window. The same thing is what I have got as a PDF. It is saved automatically once I run this program. After finishing it, once when I run it, the PDF is automatically updated. Okay, so this is a basic thing which you have to know. And then whatever you're typing it, you'll be typing it in between this, in this space. So all that later in the future you might be needing is, for example, you want this entire thing to be left aligned or right aligned, or for example this word becomes little bold compared to other fonts, or size is big, or you want to type a mathematical formula. So for each and every task like this, you have separate syntax, small syntax, small commands. For example, when you want to type say area of circle equal to pi r square, then if I type, say for example, pi r corresponding to, and if I try compiling it, you can see what is the output. Sorry, yeah, you can see what is the output. Area of circle is pi r square. Okay? So here if we see, I've enclosed this pi term, pi r square, within dollar symbol, which means that it is math mode. Okay, when I want this in the next line, like area of circle equal to pi r square, when I want this in the next line, for example, I put a $2 symbol. When I build this now, you can see it's in the next line, center line, right? So this is called, this is one type of math mode, and then this keyword pi is used for getting this symbol pi. Similarly, alpha is used for getting the symbol alpha. So these are the things which you will be using it, or which you might be needing it later part of in the later part of time when you are proceeding with your project or thesis. So this is the basic, that whatever you are typing, you will be typing it in between these brackets, in between this begin and end document, so that later whenever you need, whatever you need, for example for building a table, or for displaying a fraction, or for including brackets, or including image, or things like that, all you have to know is such kind of small keywords and small syntaxes, which will be helping you to include those things. So this is the base, this is how you have to start. The main aim of this tutorial is to just give an introduction, give an introduction to this LaTeX, so that you will be able to get used to it. Now in our department, in the Faculty of Electrical Engineering and Information Technology in Otto-von-Guericke University, Magdeburg, they have ready-made template for this thesis, which means that you need not start from the scratch, like you need not start from this document class and start typing each and everything from the first page. You need not do all those things. It's already pre-programmed, and you have a template available under this link. You can see this link is included in the presentation also. So under this link you can see two zip files. One is Beamer template, which is the LaTeX template for PowerPoint presentation, and this thesis template is a LaTeX template for your thesis report. You can use this thesis template for your non-technical project report as well as your final master thesis report. So download this, unzip this, you have like here, yeah, you have this. Once you download it and unzip it, you can see inside this folder, you can see this is the final LaTeX document. So if you just double click on this thesis, of course you need this text maker installed. You can see that it's already pre-programmed, how it has to look and stuff. So here, if you want to, for example, change your title, abstract and stuff as per your project, then in the same folder you can see a folder called sections. Here there are separate LaTeX documents. So remember, this is the final LaTeX document. thesis which you have to run at last to get the PDF, final PDF. And in between to change, so here is the abstract. Okay, so here is the abstract. So this abstract, if you try running it, you cannot see the preview of this abstract. Okay, you are getting errors, right? You cannot see the preview of this abstract here. So you should not run this abstract or this separate sections. Instead, you have to run this thesis finally. But when you want to make changes to this abstract, as you can see here, it's given like an abstract is a brief summary of a research article, thesis review, etc., etc. So whatever wordings you want as per your abstract, your thesis abstract, just change only those in this part of the program, save it, and then run the thesis. For example, when I tell you this is an example abstract, I have changed this, I save it, and then I open the final thesis, and this is what I have to, this thesis is what I have to build, I have to run. So I run this, takes a little time because it has to compile title page, abstract, and images and everything, so it takes a little time. So it's done. So here you can see all these things are automatically there. Yeah, so what we have changed here, this is an example abstract is there under the abstract heading. Similarly, whatever you want to change, your introduction, your declaration, your body, so you can see all LaTeX document, the type is LaTeX document. So when you just double click on this LaTeX document and then change the introduction, change the title page, change the title of your document and stuff, so all you have to customize as per your project is under this sections. So make changes to all these LaTeX document and then finally compile this thesis, this LaTeX document, and then here as I've told, you can see a PDF is automatically created. So when you open this PDF, you have the final version of your report, right? This is an example abstract. So if you double click, similarly if you similar to abstract, if you double click on the title page and then change this name of guidance on the preparation of degree thesis into your topic, for example introduction to power electronics or whatever, then you can see that those wordings here. So this is a simple template which is already available. So all that you have to do is just double click and change, customize the wordings as per your thesis, and then you're done. Same is the case with PPT also. So here you have this Beamer template. Once you unzip it, and then the final thing which you should run is this presentation. This is the final document which you need to run. All the figures, logos, and this sign of this faculty, all that is required for the PPT is already there. You need not change anything. You just have to run this, double click this presentation, and then whatever changes you need to do as per your presentation, what figures you need to include as per your topic, only in those areas of the program you need to change. For example, here this item indicates that it's a numbered list, like number 1, 2, 3. So this you can see it's a keyword kind of. This backslash item is a keyword that is in between this begin and end itemize. So this small syntax of this backslash item and then this begin and end itemize, these are the small keywords and syntax which you need to learn during your proceeding, during the time when you're proceeding with the thesis. So the basic is everything comes in between this document class here, you can see, and then for PPT it's Beamer, as you can see here. So the document class and it's all readily available, and then you have to change only the final parts and then customize as per your thesis. So in this, under this link, this is also given in the presentation. So you can find a summary of commands. So we have used this backslash alpha for this alpha, and now you can find a summary of commands. So it's like just some 14, 15 pages, I think. So some 14 pages, so that you will have a kind of a handbook for which you can use it anytime what you want, and then you can just have a quick reference, and then you can use it in your program, customized program. You can use this PDF.